Good morning, children. Now today we will resume the same chapter, fourth one, Macbeth and the witches. As I told you, Macbeth and Banquo, they were returning from the battlefield and they were met by witches on the moor, and those witches, they cast a spell as Macbeth and Banquo arrived. And witches, they do the prophecies about Macbeth and Banquo, and tells Macbeth that he would be Thane of Glamis, he would be Thane of Cawdor, and one day he would be the king, and Banquo's children would also be the king. He would be the father of kings. Now Macbeth, he, as you know, he wanted to know more about that, how he could be the king and so on. So he just commands those witches to speak. But finally what happened? Up till here we had done. The witches, they vanished. The witches, they disappear. Now from here, Banquo, the earth has bubbles as the water has, and that's what these creatures are. Where have they vanished? Macbeth, into thin air, I wish they had stayed. Now Banquo, he says that all the witches, they have vanished, and same as a bubble in the water, it disappears at once. Similarly, these witches also, they have disappeared, they have vanished. जिस तरह से पानी में बुलबुला गायब हो जाता है, उसी तरह से ये witches भी vanish हो गई हैं, disappear हो गई हैं. तो Macbeth कहता है, of course in the thin air, I wish वो यहाँ रुकती and they wouldn't have disappeared. Banquo, is it possible for such things to happen, or have we eaten some poisonous root that destroys one's reason? Now Banquo, you know, he is confused and he says ki, is it possible all the predictions that were done by the witches, is it possible that those things might happen, कि वो सब हो सकता है, या फिर आज हमने कुछ पॉइजनस रूट खा लिया है जो हमारे रीज़न को, रीज़न इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ नॉर्मल थिंकिंग, ओके, सो ऐसा कुछ खा लिया कि हमारे सोचने समझने की शक्ति, ओके, इट हैज़ बीन डिस्ट्रॉयड. Macbeth, your children shall be kings. Now Macbeth says, भाई उन्होंने कहा था your children shall be king. तो Banquo कहता है, of course, and you shall be king, और तुम king बनोगे. Macbeth as well as Thane of Cawdor, isn't that what they said? अब Macbeth कहता है, of course, they prophesied, उन्होंने prediction करा था that I would be the किंग, ओके, लेकिन साथ में ये भी तो कहा था कि मैं थेन ऑफ कॉडोर भी बनूंगा, प्रिसाइसली, बट हु इज़ हियर. और अचानक से वो साउंड सुनते हैं, कोई आता है, बैरन आते हैं, लॉर्ड्स आते हैं, रॉस और एंगस, हु सेंड